Good morning, everyone. I have been sitting out here by the fire this morning, and I've been hearing some odd noises in the woods off behind me, and I know what it is. And I'm going to try to catch it here, but I don't know whether I will. Yeah. So what it is back in the woods there, and I know what it is, but if you haven't ever heard one before, it will freak you out, I'm telling you, especially if it's at night. I've never actually heard them in the daytime, but I suppose they do come out in the daytime. It's a, there, yeah, it's a fox. They make the most blood-curdling sounds you've ever heard. It's off down there somewhere. I mean, I don't know how far. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, how'd you like to wake up to that in the middle of the night? Fox, anyway.